Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device so Dynamic Island can respond reliably. Update iOS and the apps you plan to use, then enable notifications and background app refresh for those apps. Once done, grant any location or microphone permissions required so live activities can appear. Make sure low power mode is off and your battery is above 20% to avoid throttling. Finally, quickly test with one app to confirm the island appears before moving to customization. You now dig into customization to maximize usefulness. In Settings, prioritize notifications and group them so the island shows concise, actionable info rather than noise. Then create shortcuts automations that launch live activities when certain triggers occur, like opening a workout or starting navigation, so the island stays contextually relevant. Make app-level adjustments where supported, selecting compact previews and limiting redundant alerts. This keeps the island focused on the data you need and reduces interruptions as you use your phone. You finish by refining and validating behavior. Toggle apps on or off for live activities to reduce clutter, then test typical scenarios like ongoing timers or incoming calls. If the island is sluggish or missing items, restart the device and force close or reinstall the specific app to clear its state. Make sure background permissions remain enabled. If problems persist, reset notification settings and re-enable selectively. Key troubleshooting tip: always test after one change so you can isolate what restored normal island behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.